Today we are learning something super special. Small things we do every day help us stay healthy and happy. Can you learn them with me? Let's go! First good habit, brushing our teeth. We brush our teeth every morning and before bedtime. Brush, brush your teeth. Keep them shiny, clean, and sweet. Front and back 2 times. 2 times! Wash your hands before eating and after. Soap and water, bubbles too. Clean hands you. Clean hands, happy hands. Oh no! My hands are dirty! Time for a cleaning mission. Wow! My toys had a big adventure, but now they need a home. Good habit number 3, cleaning our toys. When we finish playing, we put our toys away.
Pick it up, put it away.
Make a happy room today. Wow! A clean room is a happy room. Clean toys equal happy space. Here you go, Zuzu. Thank you. Thank you. Saying thank you shows kindness and makes people happy. Want to learn more fun things with me? Like and subscribe to Zuzu's Wonderworld.